On the northeast side of San Antonio, in the Live Oak Township, is this amazing DR Horton built home at 13709 Altamirano. This home has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and is 2,767 square feet. Let's go take a look inside. Upon entry, there's a lovely dining room with a beautiful staircase leading to the second story. The living room is very spacious, with a ton of natural light pouring in from the windows. And it also opens up to this equally as spacious kitchen, with stainless appliances, gas stove, a breakfast bar, and a worktop island. The master bedroom downstairs is very roomy, and it has a cozy master bathroom with a garden tub and a separate walk-in shower. The upstairs living room is just as big, if not bigger, than the one downstairs. The entire upstairs is covered in carpet, and the bedrooms have plenty of space for entertaining guests, the children, or any extracurricular activities. And the upstairs bathroom is cozy just like the master. Out back is a very comforting covered patio, allowing for some very lovely views of the Texas Hill Country. And the backyard itself has a good amount of space to move around. For a full report on this home or any home for sale, or if you'd like to do a free home search that's more accurate than what you find on the internet, log on to our website, give us a call, or send us a text. We're always happy to help.